Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your brightness settings in Windows 11. So to get started, go to your desktop, right click on an empty space and click on Display Settings. So this should bring you to a menu, and here you can adjust the brightness slider according to what you need. Another thing you can do to do this more quickly is to go to your taskbar, click on the system tray, and here is the same slider, but in a more accessible area. Sometimes this doesn't exactly resolve your issue and your monitor is still displays a darker image than is what is necessary. So sometimes that's because of HDR incompatibility. So click on the HDR setting here and then toggle this on or off depending on your monitor and your PC. So, how to fix your brightness settings in Windows 11. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.